Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup Notion rollups and linked databases step by step clearly. To backup your Notion rollups and linked databases, open your Notion workspace. Navigate to the page where your rollup or linked database is located. Click on the three dots in the upper right corner of the page. Select Duplicate from the drop-down menu. This creates a copy of the page with all its properties. Rename the duplicated page for easier identification. Open the duplicated page to ensure all content is intact. Next, click on the database or rollup you want to backup. Hover over the right corner of the database block and click on the three dots. Choose Copy Link to save the database URL. Now, open a blank Notion page in a secure workspace. Paste the copied link to create a reference to the original database. To further secure your backup, select all properties in the rollup and linked database. Copy these properties by right-clicking and selecting Copy. Return to your backup page and paste the properties there. You can also export your backup as a Markdown or CSV file. To do this, click on the three dots in the upper right corner of the page again. Select Export and choose your preferred format. Save the exported file in a secure location on your device. For added security, consider storing the file on a cloud service. Now you have successfully backed up your Notion rollups and linked databases. Regularly repeat this process to keep your backups updated. This ensures that you always have access to your important data. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.